Welcome to AI Frontiers. Today's episode, titled AI's Memory Maze, Advances and Limits in Computational Linguistics, spotlights key research published on November 4, 2025. We will explore 22 groundbreaking papers from the arXiv preprint server, focusing on the challenges of long context reasoning in language models. The Oolong benchmark will be featured as our paper of the day, alongside discussions of major breakthroughs, surprises, and future directions. Join us as we navigate the cutting edge of language and AI. Can artificial intelligence truly understand long stories? Despite their impressive capabilities, even top language models encounter difficulties when processing very long texts. These models are able to read works as lengthy as War and Peace, yet they frequently miss important connections within the narrative. Advanced systems are often tripped up by simple questions when the context is extensive. This raises the question, are expectations for massive context windows too high? Uncovering these limitations is crucial for understanding the impact on technology users everywhere. Why does computational linguistics matter? This field bridges the gap between artificial intelligence and human language, powering core technologies such as translation tools, virtual assistants, and search engines. Today's research lays the groundwork for tomorrow's technological experiences. Understanding language is essential for digital interaction, and this episode presents the latest breakthroughs alongside ongoing challenges in computational linguistics. Envision the field of computational linguistics as an intricate engine constructed from grammar, vocabulary, and algorithmic logic. It sits at the intersection of linguistics and computer science, enabling applications ranging from autocorrect features to spam filtering mechanisms. As the invisible force behind digital communication, computational linguistics relies on the concept of the context window, which determines how much text an AI system can process at once. This technical foundation shapes the capabilities of modern language technologies. The first key theme is memory and long context reasoning. Language models often struggle to reason across extensive documents, where crucial information is distributed throughout the text. The Oolong benchmark, developed by Zhang and colleagues, is designed to test a model's ability to deeply understand and aggregate information scattered across multiple locations. This process is akin to piecing together a story from clues found in footnotes and margins. The central technical concept here is aggregation, the process of combining information from various parts of a document to form a coherent answer. The next theme centers on alignment, safety, and adapting to evolving social norms. Ensuring that AI systems adhere to changing human values presents a complex challenge. The TRACE framework, introduced by Patel and collaborators, demonstrates how AI can adjust to shifting social expectations. This process is similar to updating rules for students in a school without requiring full retraining. Alignment is recognized as a continuous effort, not a one-time solution. For example, as social values evolve, AI must keep pace to remain relevant and responsible. Efficiency, retrieval, and multimodal understanding are also critical areas of focus. Language models must operate quickly, efficiently, and with adaptability. The AMER architecture, presented by Lee and colleagues, enables multiple targeted retrieval operations, improving information gathering. Chen and the research team introduce optimal singular damage, a technique for achieving leaner model storage. These advances in efficiency broaden access and enable more applications. Retrieval, in this context, refers to finding the right information within vast datasets, much like a skilled librarian locating specific resources. Recent research reveals notable mini-stories highlighting both surprises and successes. The Oolong benchmark by Zhang et al. Demonstrates that models frequently miss complex links in long documents. Trace, developed by Patel et al., allows for efficient updates to AI systems as new social rules emerge. Lee and colleagues' AMER architecture facilitates diverse, focused information retrieval. Live Bench, introduced by Garcia et al., provides security benchmarks that adapt in real time. Additionally, new efficiency techniques make models smarter while requiring less memory. Today's featured paper is the Oolong benchmark by Zhang and colleagues, which evaluates the true reasoning capabilities of models across long contexts. Oolong challenges AI systems to aggregate information distributed across lengthy documents. 2 task sets are included: Oolong Synth, containing synthetic data, and Oolong Real, based on real conversations. The tasks require models to combine scattered details, moving beyond simple recall. Testing spans up to 128,000 tokens, the equivalent of a full novel. This benchmark raises the bar for what constitutes genuine understanding in artificial intelligence. What did the models get wrong on the Oolong benchmark? Even leading systems such as GPT-5, Claude Sonnet 4, and Gemini-2.5-Pro scored below 50%. These models struggled to synthesize information, often failing to integrate relevant details or missing key connections, despite their ability to locate isolated facts. Aggregation, the ability to combine information from multiple sources, remains an unresolved challenge. These results highlight the current limitations of AI, even with access to massive context windows. The impact of Oolong is significant in raising the standard for language model evaluation. By exposing gaps in deep reasoning abilities, Oolong invites the research community to build upon open-source data and tools. Honest and rigorous evaluation is emphasized as essential for true progress. The benchmark has inspired the creation of new tasks that probe genuine understanding, and aggregation-focused benchmarks are expected to shape the next generation of language models. Looking toward the future, the field envisions a smarter library, an expanding collection of knowledge where AI not only retrieves information, but connects stories across diverse genres. Upcoming benchmarks will focus on reasoning rather than mere recall. Retrieval systems are expected to evolve into multi-perspective search parties, while efficiency improvements will enable broader access across devices and populations. Alignment frameworks must continuously adapt to societal changes. Imagine a library in which AI seamlessly links narratives from medicine, law, poetry, and beyond. In summary, the road ahead in language AI is marked by progress in memory, retrieval, safety, and efficiency. Yet significant gaps persist in reasoning and true understanding. Honest benchmarks, such as those introduced by Zhang and Patel, are essential for building trust. The future will be shaped by users, researchers, and developers alike. Continued questioning and exploration remain vital as the community advances the frontiers of artificial intelligence. This episode's synthesis and review process was conducted with transparency and rigor. Paper summaries were generated using GPT 4.1 from OpenAI, with TTS audio provided by OpenAI and images generated using tools from Google. Content was reviewed by a human expert to ensure clarity and accuracy, though minor oversights may remain. All references are provided for verification. Maintaining transparency and trust is central to the mission of this channel. Join the AI Frontiers community by subscribing for weekly deep dives into the latest AI research. Engage with the channel by sharing questions and ideas, and stay informed on the evolving landscape of language technology. Discover, learn, and help shape the future of AI with us. In this podcast, we bring you the latest breakthroughs in computer science and AI straight from arXiv preprint server, from neural networks to quantum computing. We simplify complex research so you can stay ahead. Whether you're a developer, researcher, or tech enthusiast, AI Frontiers keeps you informed daily. Thanks for listening. If you enjoyed this episode, subscribe for daily updates. See you tomorrow with more cutting-edge AI insights. Disclaimer: this video uses arXiv.org content under its API terms of use. AI Frontiers is not affiliated with or endorsed by arXiv.org.